Traveling to Dorado. Prepare to attack. Select your hero. Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Justice.
Yo, can we please get another healer instead of Widow? It's like there's a lot of cover here. It's hard to get value out of the Widow for anybody. Like all the environmental cover plus the shields. It starts swinging. Goes up. I've changed it down. Can't swing. Barrier's low. Alright, it's down. Back out. We lost 3. Dude, please. Please go to another healer instead of Widow. Or Tracer, please change because you have the lowest. You have the lowest overcharge. And they have a brig. Tracer, please change. Okay, pushing is Rein. Pushing. I'm gonna do a short range charge. If I can't. They're gonna have shatter. Goes on Rein. Got 2, got 2. They have 3 tanks. They have shatter. He's on a Rein. He's on a Rein, please. They're gonna have shatter. Good kill. Good job, guys. They're running 3 tanks. We could use like a Reaper. Boosted, can you change the Reaper? They have 2 kills, they have 2 down. It was on a Rein. It was on a Rein though. We're gonna have shatter for next fight. They have 3 down presently. Push up. 1 on PL2, please. 5 on 3. We have no one on PL. We have a kill in the front. Have her shatter soon. They have her shatter. Gonna try to get a good one. Be by a Rein. Be by a Rein for a shatter, please. They're top. They're top. They're 3 top. Our Rein's 1 if we can heal. I think we gotta fall back. Our Anna's down. Our Rein's down. We gotta fall back. Let's push up through the deep right. We really need a Reaper though. Maybe Widow. Please change the Reaper because they're running 3 tanks. Like running a Tracer or Widow into a Brig with 3 tanks is like, that's so suboptimal. Group on the Rein. Let's push up. We have a kill. Let's push up. I'm gonna shatter when I can here. I'm gonna charge the Rein. Wow, there's R1. Nice finish. There's on a Rein and boss. I'm gonna go Wrecking Ball. I have a kill. Push up left side. Push up right side. We have several right. Push up right side. Push up heavily. We have a kill. I'm gonna dive him. Diving. Table. Good job. Good kill. Nice. Keep the momentum up. Come on, wrecking ball. Everyone wrecking ball. Everyone wall. My bad, I probably hit him too early.
No one can hide from
this. Take out that turret. We cannot ignore it. We have a kill. The Brig is down. Big kill. Tracer and a healer in the back. Tracer and a healer. Tracer and a recall. Winnable. Ball focus. Ball one. Torp focus. Torp in the corner. Torp focus. Take out the turret. Anna. Help our ball in the front. There's one ball in the front. There's one ball. He's gonna have shatter. Try not to C9. We have 3 kills. It's winnable. Good job. I do 222 if we can get a change off the Genji or the Widow. I don't think that's a good DPS for 222.
Everything can be hacked, and everyone.
Well, why are you going Stomper now?
Because I think it works well with the Widow Genji. But
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
I mean, I thought he was going Mercy. I don't know where you're gonna change off the Reaper. Off the Mercy, go Reaper. Okay, so they like really don't care about winning. I thought they cared about winning. I'll change on the death. I'm already out here.
Yeah, you gotta communicate to that because they have no idea what.
I communicated it. Oh, what did you say?
They don't know what's going on right now.
Oh yeah, they're doing like whatever.
Yeah.
Join me.
I didn't put that in a good spot. I'm just all flustered. Really running it in. Genji no deflect. Running Farah. Anna. He jumps away again.
Much better.
I'm down on her.
I'm out of here.
Maybe. What's it at? Our Summer slept. Oh, we have 3 kills. Might be a winnable fight. Farah's one if anyone can touch. Probably not. Yeah, Widow, she's one. If you hook jump high, if you can hook jump high, she's on the right. She got away. I would change right now. We have 3 DPS. But I need I go hog.
She's still one at Farah.
Go hog, a little bit sustained, a little bit thinking.
To my will.
Oh,
Up top high.
Nice. We win this, we win this.
Touch, 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 touch.
Touch.
Our hog's on point. I'm anti. They have no anti. If you can touch. Do we give up free space to wait for hog or? Oh, our D.Va's down. So 5 on 5. Their spawn room's closed. Be careful. They got checkpoint. We have Earth Shatter in the pocket. Halfway to 3 ults. Be by a Rein for the Earth Shatter. Winston top. Their Genji's down. Their Farah's down. Winston focus. Winston focus. Good sleep, bro. That was very good. Let's push up. Take point, take point. Genji high, no shift. Genji no shift, no deflect. Heals on our Hogger. He'll hit Hogger, no E. Heals on our Hog. Thank you.
Monkeys in our backline.
We need like Devo, can you change? Can you go to another like healer?
Join me.
Has he gotten 1 red arrow all game? Like
Back up, checkpoint.
This guy's gotten just bodies on Widow all game.
First, huh?
No one can hide from my sight.
Wow. I push this far. Just got busted.
How am I missing every hook? That is so infuriating. You're gonna need to burn the nano boost before you die. Fuck.
Let's see one, let's see one.
Oh my god. So I think I'm just shocked over the fact I haven't played him in a long time. Because I have not, so I'm like not used to animation, like not used to the fact that it has travel time. Like just I don't know. Excuses, whatever. One standing by himself right side on a Widow. Good kills. They have no heals, they have no heals. Have our Widow in the back, have our Widow in the back, have our Widow in the back.
Wow. That's actually hurt.
And they have one push left. It's very winnable right now. We have 2 ults in the pocket, we have Supercharger. Be ready to full bodyguard our Supercharger when he drop it. We have Molten Floor ready. Our Torb is down, they're going to push heavily. Get ready to guard our Supercharger. Alright, Lucio's down, 2 kills, it's winnable right now.
You got a knife? Point, point.
Touch, 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 touch. Do not C9, touch, touch, touch. Stall out. Stall out, get to 0. Don't C9 it. Focus hand and pause. Focus healers.
Switching sides. Prepare. Resources in 30 seconds.
There's nothing I haven't fought. Take me will come.
Yeah, Tribute, would you be willing to do Rein and I go Bastion? Or not?
4, 3, 2, 1. 60 seconds.
Thanks.
Escort to
Try to win the shield fight, break their shield. Suitable fight.
Someone's behind.
Summer's behind.
She's on their side now. You see her? Right, nice.
Well done. Pushing up just a little bit. Be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. There's one Fister. They might have Shatter, be careful, they might have Shatter. Gotta win the shield fight. Breaking people. He's gonna have Shatter, he's gonna have Shatter. There's 2 easy kills in the front, Rein, Diva 1. We can leave baby Deeves actually. Be careful, be careful. Anna's down the back, very good stagger. Good 2 kills. Wasted one on the floor. They're gonna contest, they're gonna contest. I might ult. Might Bastion ult. They're not contesting. Pushing up his Bastion, breaking their shield. We have 1 kill presently. Our good shielding Rein. Very good cover. We have 3 ults in the pocket. We have 4 ults in the pocket. We can easily wrap this up. Our Shatter's in the pocket very soon. This is OT, guys, so we can't leave payload. When we burn the corner, I'm gonna burn tank form. Get them backing up a little bit. Tank forming. They're burning out. Their shield's low. We can't get off of it. We can't get off of it. Oh yeah, it was a bad idea to do tank farm. I should have just melted the shield. We went around. That was my fault, really.
5 to 3. Switching sides.
But yeah, we went all the way. They just have 1 minute just like us, so we just need like 1 good stop, really. I'm gonna work how to build. Well, let me see what they go. They've been going. They're not in team chat, so let me see what he goes. If he goes DPS, I'll roll fill. Okay. Should it be something else? I'm just thinking this is like tanking and sustain. We just need like 1 legitimate stop, guys, honestly. Even like, by the time they get to checkpoint, no matter what, like it'll probably be like overtime, so. If we start dying a lot, then we need to just like kind of regroup as a 6 stack.
Completely.
Yeah.
Hello there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 60 seconds remaining. Stop the payload.
They got Torb, they got Zin. And Diva, good kill. Let's take payload now, let's take payload now. Break turret, break turret, break turret. Yeah, I'm gonna go wrecking ball to come back fast. We need attention on that Widow, that Pharah though. She should not be comfortable in the sky with the Widow. We have a kill on the Winston that's big. Our wrecking ball is back, our Ana's down. We don't have any heals. Alright, fall back. We have Ana coming up. Lost 2. Okay, just fall back entirely, fall back entirely. I'm going Bastion, honestly. I'm about their comp.
My ultimate is charging.
They're in the sky. There's something I have to change. I go, Lost 2. Oh, you just gotta fall back.
Enemy turret sighted.
We have one last stop attempt.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Top left, Bash, Pharah.
Pharah, Torb, top left.
We have a kill.
It's one down. Yo, Torb. One.
Got a touch. What do you guys got a touch?
Touch.